What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Average Aaron's Auto Videos, and today I'm on my 2009 Subaru Outback. Got this little guy, I don't know, a couple weeks ago, and I got an engine code P0420. So there's a lot of things that could be related to the catalytic converter, could be oxygen sensor, could be some other things that are dirty and not getting sending the proper signals with regards to air. And so I've seen a few notes on what people have fixed. And so I'm just gonna jump right in. I've already moved the big box that sits on top here. There's a 10mm bolt there, 10mm bolt there. There's this hose right here with a tiny clamp, that hose right here with a tiny clamp, and then right here connects to the throttle body. So just undid that with a screwdriver. It's just a flathead on that band. I also pulled this other piece off just so I could see more in here, and then I pulled my mass airflow sensor out of here as well to clean that. But the part in question, I believe, is my idle air control valve, because I also have a very low idle. So that part, and I'm actually holding it in my hand, so I gotta put it back, was sitting right here on the motor. I'm 99% sure that that is the idle air control valve right here that I've got, because the components inside, according to some of the other videos, that's what it looks like, even though pulling it up online, the numbers look a little funny. But let me show you guys the grime and grease. That is all, oh man, if I can even do it here. Anyway, a lot of carbon in there. You can even sit around the edges, even though you can't see the inside. There's a little valve in there that should go up and down. I don't know if I can ever get a good shot of it. But anyway, that's a lot of carbon. So I'm gonna clean some of this out. I'm gonna use a throttle body cleaner on this and just pour it in a container, and I'll show you guys just what that looks like just after doing that. But note to self, when you do it, hold it, oh, there we go, finally. Get a good shot so you guys can see. Yeah, that little piston, or that little stem in there is supposed to go up and down and move with the air, but it's so clogged, I don't know that it is, so it could be sending a bad signal. Clean it always like this, because you don't want any of those corrosive chemicals to go up into the components up here on the top and kind of damage the motor. So clean it like this, don't tilt it upside down, and give it a while for the parts to dry. I'll come back after I clean this out. I may use a little bit of a toothbrush on this bad boy as well. Just a side note, I am wearing gloves and safety goggles in case any stuff sprays back up on here. Don't want that in your face. All right, here is just a clean rag after just one wipe down inside there, and that was the first one in there. That got a lot out of there, and you can already see it looks a lot better already, not nearly as much in there. I still got some work to do inside there, but I'm probably gonna get a little pick and agitate some things and spray it out again. So again, I'll come back throughout the progress. All right, after a little bit of agitation with this guy, not too fast though, got all that out. That is straight from coming out of there. That is pretty gross, but as you can see here, let me bring it back over to the light. Get a better shot again. Oh, crap. All right. See just how much better that looks. Even inside there, looks so much better. So while that part is drying, one thing I did forget to mention is when you take it off, you'll have a little gasket in there. And so I don't have a new one, so I've got to reuse this. Just make sure you put it on the same side. As you can see, this is the side that faced the idle air control valve. I got it good and cleaned out in there, and I was able to stick a pick in there and actually move it up and down, which is good, so it is moving. When I first did it before I cleaned it, I wasn't sure exactly what I was doing, couldn't see very well, so I'm not sure if it moved, but either way, it definitely moves. A lot cleaner in there, so hopefully that will help out, but I'll keep you guys posted if that works or not. I'm gonna try a few other things as well, clean it up, but I will, actually no, I'll go ahead and show you the reverse process of putting it back on there. All right, so I got the gasket on there and I haven't tightened it down yet. What I did is I loaded the 2 screws into the holes and then put the gasket on and set it there and then gently tightened each one down, so you can kind of see those 2 bolts in there like that. And all I'm gonna do is torque it back down, tighten it on, and then don't forget to attach this at the top again. And that's all you need to do to clean that part of your car, the idle air control valve. I believe that's what it is. If I'm wrong, please put it in the comments. I'll adjust the name of the video and fix it from there, but I'm pretty sure that's what that's called. Next, I'm gonna clean my throttle body, so that should be fun. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like. See you guys next time.